Frustrated by the ntvdm64 module DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. To start our guide for ntvdm64 module, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This is the ntvdm64 module, the NT Virtual DOS Machine (NTVDM) support library for 64-bit Windows. While modern 64-bit Windows cannot run 16-bit code natively, this DLL is searched for by users attempting to use specialized emulators or shim tools to run classic legacy software. Its absence is a common error in business environments still using 20-year-old accounting or database tools. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. ntvdm64 is a system-critical file that Windows manages internally. To repair it, run the sfc/scan now command from an elevated command prompt, which will scan for and replace any corrupted OS-level components. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the ntvdm64 module component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online//cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. The risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out files like ntvdm64 module DLL in your System32 folder. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on ntvdm64 module. To support our technical team and receive updates on ntvdm64 module resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.